Mom's Cloud and the Beach Adventure, written by Kendall Concini Moore, illustrated by Juliana Castro. Early one morning, sunlight stretched across the sky. Golden rays tiptoed onto Alma's and Max's cheeks, tickling them awake. Giggles shimmered like magic through the house.
Beach day!
Alma shouted. Max leapt up.
I've got my bucket.
Dad jolted awake.
Time to seize the day.
Oh, no more sleeps, Mom yawned. Mom sang off key as the radio blared. The kids bounced along, scanning for signs of the beach.
Seagulls!
Alma cried.
I'm gonna catch one.
There's buried treasure out there.
Max declared. Finally, Mom exclaimed. Adventure begins. Max darted ahead.
Arg! X marks our kingdom.
Alma zoomed after.
We need a royal palace.
Sunblock first, then sandcastles.
Dad insisted. Mom paused. Oh no, not again. Seeing Mom gaze upward, Dad edged closer.
Trouble from the sky?
A cloud's rolling in, she said, frowning. It's carrying the sad with it. Max raised his shovel like a sword.
Avast! A cloud! Let's chase it away.
Mom lowered his sword, trying to smile.
Did it surrender?
Max wondered. The cloud's holding tight, Mom sighed. It'll move when it's ready. Alma pointed high.
Even when clouds stick around, we have sunshine in our hearts.
Dad squeezed Mom tight.
It's okay to not be okay.
Go enjoy the chilly waves, Mom encouraged. The kids charged in, water nipping at their toes, laughter rippling across the shore. Max hoisted his seaweed flag triumphant.
Ahoy! There's loot beneath the waves.
Quick, before the crabs claim it.
Alma raced along.
All hands on deck.
Max commanded. But Mom didn't budge.
Mom, want to be our captain?
Alma asked. The clouds circled above. Once my sky clears, Mom promised. Set sail. I'll guard our kingdom. Dad squinted at the horizon.
Aye, aye, scallywags. Time to go overboard with fun.
Mom, you can weigh anchor when you're ready.
Max said.
Let's build a snowman.
Alma cheered.
Mom says our big imagination makes the sun peek out.
Pulling Alma close, Mom felt warmer. I love your bright idea. Max got to work, sand flying wildly.
Mom, wait until you see our goofy face.
Alma called. I'm watching from here. I'm a bit frozen, Mom murmured.
We'll melt you with the power of caring.
Alma sang with a flourish.
Sensational.
Dad beamed.
Presenting King Jellybean.
Actually,
Alma teased.
that's King Booty Boot.
The kids bubbled with laughter, dancing with glee. Their silliness washed over Mom, and her giggles burst free. For a moment, the clouds seemed to lift. Max shimmied.
Your best is bright, bold, and...
Enough.
Dad finished, spinning Mom. But then, Mom didn't budge. Flopping down, her smile softened. My cloud's nibbling King Booty Boots' buttons. Max lit up.
If you were a mermaid, you could splash the gloomies.
Dad winked.
Mermaids splash stronger after a fantastic nap.
Alma hummed.
Good, better, best, time for rest.
Mom listened to Alma's lullaby drifting on the ocean breeze, the words giving the clouds space to pass.
Behold,
Dad proclaimed.
Queen Seabottom.
Mom awoke, fingers fluttering. May the sunshine forever reign,
And may we forever smile.
Max sang, sprinkling pirate jewels on her tail. Mom wiggled in the rays while the kids squirmed like fish, but then a mischievous shadow crept over her. Mom didn't budge. She frowned, the clouds admiring my glimmer. Gently, Dad reached for her hand.
Maybe it's inspired to go for a swim.
Alma flailed her arms.
Come swim, Cloud. Flap, flap, flap.
Max puckered his cheeks.
And blub, blub, blub.
Mom marveled at the kids nudging the cloud along. Bon voyage. And slowly it shrank, smaller and smaller. It's a part of me, not all of me, she reminded herself.
Clouds don't last forever.
Dad echoed. The day held space for everything. While they packed, the kids pleaded.
One more splash, please.
Their sun-kissed faces sparked strength within Mom. At last, Mom budged. Dad smiled.
The smallest step still makes a difference.
Mom dashed to the shoreline, legs wobbling. Onward, fearless pirates! They shrieked with joy as she led the way. Mom dove in. Goosebumps prickled her skin. Brr! She shivered. Dad boomed.
Hail the brave queen of the icy sea. Now the ocean is ours.
Whoosh! Whoosh! The sea stirred to life. Whoosh! Whoosh! A giant wave crashed in. Whoosh! The clouds swam into the currents. We can weather anything, Mom gleamed, scattering the last of her gray. That night, Mom snuggled everyone tight. Her heart felt light again.
We always find the greatest treasure,
Max mumbled. Alma yawned.
Oh, I hope I dream about all of our adventures.
Mom gazed at the stars twinkling in the clear sky. Thank you for today, she whispered. Alma nestled close with Max. They whispered back.
Clouds don't last forever.
Thanks for reading with me today. See you next time. Bye.